Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Iceberg. Brand Iceberg is an Italian designer brand, and they have quite an extensive fragrance lineup in their portfolio, probably up to 30 or maybe even more, and some of them really deserve attention, especially in the fragrance community. Publicly they are very popular anyway, so they are one of the best sellers, but in the fragrance community they get snubbed, and I think that's the shame, because some of the fragrances are very good, especially for the price. So I bought this one in the United Kingdom under £15 for 125 ml Eau de Toilette. This beauty came out in 1995, and I distinctly remember I had at least one bottle of it back then, and it was amazingly good. So I thought today's version, the 2023 version, because I bought this one a few days ago, so this is a newer release or newer version of it, see how it is. Is it still any good? Because unfortunately with the formulation, we know some of these fragrances been ruined. So let's see if this one is one of them or not. But before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, hit those buttons. Don't just sit there. Your finger can do wonders. Your help, your motivation, your encouragement would take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So as you can see, simple bottle, but it does the job perfectly. This is Iceberg Twice. It came out in 1995, as I said, and it's 125 ml Eau de Toilette. Okay, very classical Iceberg bottle. And you open it like this, and then the atomizer. Here we go. Very good atomizer. Perfect. It's very good and pressurized, and it gives a very good amount of juice. So Iceberg Twice, this is a latest version. Let's say it's 2023 version. How it is it still any good? Here we go. First impression. Fantastic. It just took me back to 1990s. So first thing it hits me is the florals. This is heavy on the floral, but it's beautiful. It's white florals. It's very aromatic. There's a big lavender in here, which is, you know, lavender is one of those that in 80s and 90s was utilized a lot in very many men's fragrances, and this is here done to perfection. It's just gorgeous. Heavy on the citrus. This, I mentioned this many times in my videos before, that nobody, or one of the best citruses fragrances on earth are Italians. If they're you know, they are one of the best, if not the best. They make their speciality is citruses. Okay, so this is a citrus fragrance as well, and is showing, you know, it's beautiful lemon, it's bergamot, it's grapefruit. I can smell even something like a mandarin in here. Beautifully done. Very bright, very uplifting, very inviting fragrance. Beautiful. Obviously it's green in the same time. I'm getting something a little bit earthy, a little bit green, a little bit leafy, a little bit stemmy, like a, you know, branch of a tree as well. It's very well done here. Woody backbone, most likely is a cedar, because it's very bright, it's very inviting, and it's very subtle, is just in the background, lifting everything together, making sure that everything stays together, and also give it better longevity. Yeah, bit of powderiness. I'm guessing there is a violet or lily of the valley in here, giving it a little bit of powderiness. a little bit of sweetness coming from most likely be vanilla, but this is a classical vanilla. So classical vanilla is smooth and is, you know, subtle, and it gives the whole composition a better mixture and giving it smoothness, and also get a little bit of sweetness. Not much sweetness in here, from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest. It's around 4 to 5, so it's a medium, but as I said, makes everything balanced together. It's a little bit of spicy underlined. The spices are here. It's like cinnamon smell, maybe a little bit of nutmeg as well, just giving it again another dimension, another interesting facet to it. But overall, mamma mia, for under £15, it smells amazing. Just giving it 2 thumbs up. Yes, 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 it's just up my alley. I'm a middle-aged man and I love things like this. I love the classic genre anyway. But if you like this kind of fragrances, this is a no-brainer. Under £15, that is amazing value for money. The only thing is a little bit on the mature side. I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, because it's got that mature, classical vibe to it. But if you like this kind of fragrances, it doesn't mean anything. It's better suited for warmer weather. Yes, this is definitely fresh, definitely uplifting, inviting, very easygoing fragrance. Definitely for warmer weather, but you can use it anytime. It's definitely casual because it's very relaxed, and occasion again, daytime, nighttime, anything you want, but mainly daytime and casual. Overall, just give it 2 thumbs up. I'm just loving it. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. It reminds me a little bit of the Versace Pour Homme 1994 release, I think. Yeah, that Versace Pour Homme, or sorry, Pour L'Homme. Versace Pour L'Homme, the 1994 bottle. It reminds me somehow of that one, because that one is similar to this. Very aromatic, very floral, beautiful citrus, a little bit of woodiness, a little bit of spicy aspect, green, herbal. This is herbal as well. And all those things together making it very, very inviting, very uplifting, very relaxing, very pretty fragrance. Overall, it's quite manly as well. I would say 60% masculine, 40% feminine. But if you like this kind of fragrance, it doesn't mean anything. Again, man and woman can wear it. Smell is a smell. Smell doesn't have gender. You wear what you like, you don't wear what you don't like. Simple as that. Okay. Overall, I'm loving it. I give it 2 thumbs up. For me, this is beauty in a bottle. But we have to wait and see how is the performance. Is it still any good? Because back in the 1990s, it was a beast mode. But even if it's today, if it performs medium, I'm happy with that. So let's see if it's how is the performance, how is the development, things like that. But for now, for the first impression, first sniff, this is beauty in a bottle. I'm absolutely loving it. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to hit those buttons if you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances. Yes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make perfume from raw materials to the perfume itself. Nobody else is involved. I'm the artist. I'm the person who put them together. So it's a handmade. This hands made them. They are super artistic, out of this world, very intriguing, amazing value for money, 100% natural, and they are very amazing value for money as well. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links in the description as well. Thank you very much for your support. See you later. Bye bye bye.